Continuing the chart tutorial series, we cannot miss out on another commonly used chart type, line chart. By showing data points connected by straight lines or curved lines, this chart is best to track data changes over periods. And with ActivePresenter, it is easier than ever to customize your line chart within a few minutes. Watch till the end to learn how to create line chart step by step using this powerful e-learning authoring tool. On the screen now is the dataset demonstrating the number of 3 tennis items sold in a sports store in the first 6 months of the year. Let's visualize it through a line chart in a flash, following these 5 steps. Click the Insert tab, then Chart. Click the line chart type on the left pane in the Insert Chart dialog. Now choose one among the 6 variations depending on your usage purpose, which is line, stacked line, stepped, and those with markers. Now go to the tutorial link in the description box now to read more detail about each type. Then click OK to insert. Once you've done inserting a line chart, you're free to adjust the default data values. It is quite similar to working with cells in Excel spreadsheets, so you will see all the changes show up immediately. ActivePresenter 9 lets you change the styles of the datasets, grid lines, tick labels, and axis label of the line chart. So to change the styles of those elements, access the Chart Properties pane, Chart, then Style. The dataset means data values presented in color lines. Click the drop-down dataset list to switch to any dataset to customize. The field option is only available for these chart types with markers. You will also see the area field option enabled. Now, customize the background field of markers and/or the area covered by the data values and the markers. Next, customize the line of each dataset in fields of color, transparency, width, cup type, which is the end line of the dataset, joint type, which is the type of the joint where 2 lines in a dataset intersect with each other, dash pattern, which is the pattern of the dataset's interpolation lines, and area fill. Details can be found further in the written tutorial in the description box below. Similarly to column chart, choose either option to plot the dataset on. The primary axis is on the left side, while the secondary one is on the right side. You can use a secondary axis when the data values vary greatly between one another without the need for additional charts. For example, if I choose like this, the blue color dataset ball is plotted on the secondary axis, while the others are plotted on the primary one, following the red dashed lines. Next, scale options include grid lines, tick labels, and axis labels corresponding to the axis that the dataset is plotted on. You just need to click the drop-down axis list to choose one of the 4 chart axes here to customize its properties. Then, the properties for these 2 options are only available when you plot at least one dataset on the secondary axis. So, get access to the column chart tutorial video here, or the written tutorial link in the description box below to better understand how to work with grid lines, tick labels, and axis labels in this section. And take notice that the secondary horizontal axis has no tick labels and axis label. By default, the line chart has the flex layout. That means you cannot adjust the chart paths manually like this. So to make changes, access the Chart Properties pane, Size and Properties tab, Container Layout. And just select each chart part, then customize it in the Properties pane, Size and Properties tab, Flex Chart. Now, after previewing and exporting the project to HTML5 format, viewers can hover the mouse over the datasets to see the data values like this. That's it! You have successfully created a line chart using ActivePresenter. Download the app in the description box now to start designing, and don't miss out on other upcoming chart tutorials in the playlist here. See you soon!